In 2025, we delivered 2,500 kVA residential transformers to the US. Designed for modern underground distribution systems. Compliant with IEEE and DOE 2016 standards. Sealed enclosure with side-mounted low-voltage flange for underground cabling. Ideal for smart grids, commercial zones, and urban substations. Vacuum sealing procedure. Seal the tin foil bag first. Leaving an opening, use a vacuum cleaner to extract the air. Then seal the opening with a heat sealer.